Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are going to delve deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from January 2, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.82. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -2.01%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.67% since it was classified as a sell candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.99% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 12.99% to 26.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we can anticipate a 30.5% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between 23.31% and 43.87%. In terms of price, this could mean a range of $224.32 to $261.71 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple brings you the headline, "Red Day for Apple stock as it loses 1.27% on Thursday." On the last day, which was Thursday, January 4, 2024, the Apple stock price dropped by 1.27%. It went from $184.25 to $181.91. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.22%, reaching a low of $180.88 and a high of $183.09. In the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 8 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 7.63%. On the last day, the trading volume increased by 14 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating slightly higher risk in the coming days. The total number of shares bought and sold was 71 million, with a value of approximately $12.85 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Apple stock was $199.62, while the lowest price was $124.76. Presently, the stock price is 8.87% lower than the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $17.71. Furthermore, it is 20.31% below the all-time high reached on August 30, 2018, when the price peaked at $228.26. Today, we're going to talk about analyst ratings for Apple, the stock of Apple Inc. Let's start with the most recent rating. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup also gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, December 14, 2023, KeyBank rated Apple as sector weight with a hold action. Looking back at Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush once again gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank rated Apple as sector weight with a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They also rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a closer look at Apple's stock signals. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Apple. Both short and long-term moving averages are indicating sell signals, suggesting a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. Looking at the price levels, we can see that there is some resistance at $189.16 and $191.88. If the stock manages to break above these levels, it may issue buy signals. However, a sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, resulting in a decline of -8.18% so far. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, we should note that there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. It is advisable to closely monitor the stock in light of these developments. Today, we're going to talk about some interesting signals you should know about. First, let's discuss the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which also showed a sell signal 14 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal gave a buy signal just 1 day ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we saw a sell signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. When we analyze the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart analysis. The short moving average showed a sell signal 8 days ago. Additionally, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Finally, when we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 29 days ago. To explore more signals and stay updated, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to Apple, there's an interesting support level to consider. The stock has found support from accumulated volume at $181.82. This means that if the stock price reaches this level, it may provide a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. Apple is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity. This makes the risk associated with this stock quite low. In fact, the stock's daily volatility has been relatively stable. On the last trading day, the stock moved $2.21 between its high and low, which accounts for 1.22% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.44%. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with a strong track record and stable revenues. Moving on to the latest news, Apple is expected to release its next earnings report for Q4 2023 on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $185.64. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Kondo Christ sold 5,513 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L., sold 123,448 shares of common stock as an insider. On November 10, 2023, Kondo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock as an insider. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio stands at -22.094, indicating negative sentiment. In the last 100 trades, insiders bought 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares overall. We have conducted a thorough evaluation of this stock and unfortunately, the results are not favorable. Is Apple stock a good buy? Despite the positive trend, we have identified several negative signals for Apple stock, leading us to believe it will perform weakly in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For Friday, January 5th, we anticipate Apple to open with a $0.0491 increase and start trading at $181.96. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember the risks involved. Trading can result in financial losses, so it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading experience. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.